Hi, my name's Sophia, and we're gonna be opening one Shopkin basket.
Season 3 basket.
Season 3 basket. Here's the 2 bags. Now let's see what we get. We got birthday cake.
Let's see, put it up to the camera. Oh, how cute.
So we got birthday cake. Let's see what else we got. This is the one I always wanted. And it's vacuum.
All right, put it up to the camera. Ooh. Open the paper, see what the names are.
I wonder what they are. There's a lot of Shopkins. So let's see which one's ours. Gotta be looking around for our birthday cake and our other. Here's a purple vacuum, but that's not ours. We have a green vacuum. Here's our green vacuum. Akka, Mommy Akka.
Okay,
Okay?
Vicky Vac.
Vicky.
Vicky Vac.
And our vacuum is Vicky Vac. And our cake?
Our cake
Give me
is...
cake. Give me.
Yeah. Wendy wedding cake.
And now this is Wendy wedding cake.
Vicky Vac and Wendy wedding cake.
Vicky Vac and Wendy wedding cake. Bye. Thanks for watching my video.